Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to remove unwanted objects from your pictures. No advanced Photoshop skills required. First, you have to open your Gemini. Let's go to Gemini. And you have to upload your image. Before that, you have to go to Tools and go to Nano Banana Create Images, the latest feature, the latest image editing feature that Google has added to their platform. So let's go to Nano Banana Create Images option and go to Add Files and upload your image. So this is my image, and all you have to do is just type remove the object from this picture. That's it. I'm going to type that, remove the object from this picture without any trace, and hit enter. It takes only a few seconds. All you have to do is just wait. Okay guys, here you are. It took only 5 seconds, right? It was one of the easiest ways you can do this. Trust me, this AI is mind-blowing. Trust me, guys. Okay, let me show you one more time. I'm going to choose a different picture this time. Let's choose this picture and type the same command, right? Type the same command and hit enter. Here you are. We have got the best image, right? And no issue at all. Guys, this is mind-blowing. This is crazy, right? You should keep using this option, right? You don't need a special Photoshop skill. If you want to download this picture, click on this picture and go to download full size. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.